I made films not to be famous, not to be loved by people or noticed by people, but I wanted to use this to explore thoughts, feelings, ideas. Kaya ganyan ko siya kinikwento sa kids today. Sabi ko, now you have social media to express yourself. We didn't have that. Now we were in those tumultuous times, no? When I was starting my early short films. That was the year, by 83 when I released my early short films, the year Ninoy Aquino was assassinated. And it was really chaotic ng time na yun. No? Supposedly tinanggal ng martial law. No? And yet, it wasn't really true. Parang ganun pa rin yung situation. And, so ultimately, that led to the EDSA Revolution in 86. So yun yung time na gumagawa ko ng film. How are we surviving with this system that is imposed on us? No? And, decades later, na-realize ko yung pa rin yung theme ng films ko.